The Lincoln Memorial starts in 1959, after 50 years of Wheaties, 09 to 58, right? And in 1960, year two, on the proof side, we have some problems, some serious problems with how the dates are and the dies cracking. And many of you that follow the series might recall the large date, small date varieties existing. And it was because of the die breaks that caused the problem. Well, that was 1960. We're in 2023 today. So at 60 plus years. And the proof set, which was in a poly pack, with no 70s existing, which means the finest known as a 69. And we have that set tonight. Both of them. We have that set right here. It's the large date and the small date. Oh, and by the way, this is a Lincoln cent, which means it's a copper, which means it needs to qualify itself by color. And that's because it's a numeric grade, but also a eye appeal, which we all know is so significant today. Brown, red, RD being red. You're looking at one of the key Lincoln cent issues in the last 110 years. And you are looking at the finest known set on the planet of this variety, the first large date, small date variety they made. Now, if you follow the series, when they transitioned from copper to zinc in 1982, they made large date, small date again. And again, it's just one of those things. But basically, the mint was having trouble with the digits and the date chipping on the dies, especially the 0 at the end. So the mint made new master dies mid-year. And with that, they also noticed that the design changed. They had to change how the date looked to make it better. Now on the proof, I mean, you can see Lincoln, no questions asked. And on a 69, it looks like he's jumping off the screen for us, right? Well, in 1960, they made 1.6 million proof sets, where the large and the small come from, okay? But if you go to NGC's website today, and you look at the 1960 proofs, so they're separated by LD, large date, SD, small date. And you look at them. These are the numbers you're going to see. 0 70s. Finest grade, 69. Best eye color, red. So this is the best of the best. There are only 680 small dates, and there are only 1,020 large dates, which means there's only 680 sets. Now, if you watch Weekend Coin TV, you see one of my colleagues in the industry, and he spends a lot of time and effort explaining the sets, and he does a great job of that. $12.99.95. So we're not less than half. We are less than half. $1,300 versus our $4.99. Now, if you're a Lincoln cent fan, there's nothing better than owning the Holy Grail, and this set is that, right? In the Memorial Series, there are some special pieces. 55 double die is the Wheatie. 72 double die is the Memorial, right? There are other unique coins over the last 60 years, but when it comes to outright rarity, that small date is the key to the entire series. 59 to 08, that one coin. This coin, only 680 made. Now, the other side of this is the other coin in that proof set was the Franklin proof. So the smallest coin, the Lincoln cent, the largest coin, the Franklin proof. There are no 70s in the Franklin proof either, right? There are none. And there's only 576 Franklins that made it to 69. Again, no 70s. That one coin sells for significantly more than this set. It's a beautiful coin. These are beautiful coins. It's part of U.S. coin history. It's a great part of U.S. coin history. So the Wheaties from 09 to 58, And there we had the SVDB, the VDB. We had that earlier tonight. We had the 55 double die. There are some unique years like the 31S, but there are some just great coins. But when you get to the memorials, 59 first year, and then we had the die on the 0 for the date, cracking. So we went from a small date to a larger date early in the year. Noticeable. Certified as being the rarest on the planet. There are no 70s, so this is the best of the best. So the key set, the key coins in the Lincoln series, proof uncirculated indifferent, are the small date and large date combo. So again, only 680 small dates, 1,020 large dates. So that means the sets are 680 strong if they're all together, so to speak. Competition's at $12.99, and I got a couple of them left at $4.99. $800 less. Same set, same grading service, same red. Not like I'm brown and they're red. These are the best of the best, and ours is by far the best price. Let's be moving on.